Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial update on a very exciting token, Take, which is also known as Overtake. The trend looks very strong here with some nice buy volume, and it's got me wondering, is it about to enter price discovery mode? For those who don't know, price discovery is when an asset moves into a new price range where buyers and sellers are trying to find a new equilibrium, and that's often when we see huge moves. A breakout and consolidation above the all-time high resistance at 0.20 could lead to another huge bull wave. Now, you also asked for more information about this one. Based on my research, Overtake is a project focused on game asset trading, with a smart contract-based marketplace built for trustless trading and real ownership for players. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now, where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.